Hey guys, okay, we have another fairly quick lesson here on converting units of area and volume. It's quick, but this is not a bit like speed. I've just done the speed question, the speed lesson, guys. A bit like that lesson. This is just, it seems easy, but it's not. It always causes problems. So I put some key points here on the right, which I want to first refer to. So hopefully we know this. You certainly should know, guys. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. But as soon as you then move into area or volume, this kind of gets messed up because people think, oh, well, if 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 1 meter squared is 100 centimeters squared. But that's very much not the case. In fact, 1 meter squared is it's 10,000 centimeters squared. And 1 meter cubed is actually 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. Now that, again, often causes people to go, what are you talking about? But let me explain why that's the case. Right, imagine we have a line, guys. Imagine this is 1 meter and 100 centimeters. Fine. Now imagine I turn that into well, let's do it like this. Imagine I turn this into, sorry guys, I want to draw a square. Okay, now imagine this is 1 meter by 1 meter. So 1 meter by 1 meter. So it's 1 meter squared. But if it's 1 meter by 1 meter, that means it's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. And what's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters? Well, 100 times 100 is 10,000 centimeters squared. So guys, if you're ever in doubt, like obviously you're not given these in the formula sheet or anything, but if you're ever in doubt, draw this thing out like this, and then you get a similar situation with a cube. So imagine, let me just draw this quickly, guys. Let me just draw let me get rid of that. Okay, imagine this is a 1 meter cubed. Well, if it's a 1 meter cubed, it's 100 times 100 times 100, which is 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. 1 meter cubed is a big volume. It's actually 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. And a centimeter cubed is, by the way, a milliliter. So a meter cubed is 1,000,000 milliliters. And by the way, a liter is 1,000 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's kind of why these things work, guys. And then we just convert. We can convert whatever they're asking, which we're going to do here. So 72 kilometers to millimeters. Okay, well, 72 kilometers. There's 1,000 meters, so it's 72,000 meters. And in a meter, there's 100 centimeters, so there's actually that many. This is this many meters, this many centimeters, and then another for millimeters. So it's actually 72 million millimeters, because there's actually 1,000,000 millimeters in a kilometer. Okay, B. 4.5 meters squared to centimeters squared. Now, guys, I've said there is 10,000 centimeters squared, so it's just 4.5 times 10,000, which is 45,000. 45, 1, 2, 3, 45,000 centimeters squared. C. 0.25 meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Well, again, guys, I said there's 1,000,000, so it's 0.25 times 1,000,000, which is equal to okay, that would be 25 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so it'd be 250,000 centimeters cubed. By the way, this is millimeters. Okay, part D. 12 kilometers squared to meters squared. Well, 1 kilometer squared is 1,000,000 meters squared because it's 1,000 times 1,000. So 12 kilometers squared is 12 million meters squared. Finally, 4 kilometers cubed to milliliters. Okay, I've deliberately put in this very strange one, guys. So let's have a think. A kilometer cubed. Okay, a kilometer cubed. Let's just draw. Now, no, guys, nowhere. Well, I guess not nowhere, but it's very rare you would hear of the volume unit of a kilometer cubed. But let's pretend, or I mean, there's no reason why you can't use it, so let's deal with it. So it's a kilometer. This is a kilometer cubed. If it's a kilometer, how many centimeters? So how many centimeters in a kilometer? Well, there's 1,000 meters and there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So a kilometer has 100,000 centimeters. So that's 100,000 centimeters. That's 100,000 centimeters. And that's 100,000 centimeters. So 1 kilometer cubed, let me just write this over here, and this is how I figure it out, guys, without knowing all these rules. 1 kilometer cubed is equal to this times this times this. So if I multiply 100,000 by 100,000 by 100,000, I'm going to get 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get my 5 zeros 3 times. I'm actually going to get 15 zeros. So there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 15 zeros, which is actually, guys, 15 zeros is like, I don't know how you'd even say that word, guys. It's a million billion, or it's 1,000 quadrillion. Let's just go with a million billion. So 4 kilometers cubed would be 4 million billion. So that would be 4 with 15 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 milliliters. Because remember, a centimeter cubed is a milliliter. So that's a crazy big number. Okay, that's it, guys. That is converting units of area and volume.